Do you have to talk to CPS without a lawyer? No, you do not have to talk to CPS without a lawyer during the investigation stage. So before a case has been opened or if a referral has been sent out to the department, whether it's a emergency referral, 24-hour referral, meaning that they have to respond immediately, 5-day referral, 10-day referral, regardless, the social worker typically is supposed to inform you that you have the right to counsel during these interviews. They're not just talking to you because they want to be your friend or get to know you. They're talking to you because they are investigating the matter. It's very rare that social workers will use the term, we are investigating allegations of physical abuse and child abuse. Oftentimes they come across as friendly, which they are, but it could be misleading in terms of what they're trying to accomplish. They come across as we're just trying to talk, try to get some information, try to see what took place. It'll be very quick. Everything will be fine. If you hear these phrases along those lines, it's not going to be okay. It's not going to be fine. You have to make sure if it is going to be okay, if it is going to be fine, if it's not a big deal, or if it is a big deal. This is where you want to make sure you contact the California CPS defense lawyer because you want to make sure you know what you're dealing with. You know what you're getting yourself into. You don't want to say anything without being prepared or know what the consequences is going to be. And a clear example is when law enforcement comes in knocking on your door. Everyone knows I'm going to plead the fifth, or you have nothing against me, or I'm not going to share any information. And they know it's fine. The law enforcement will go away and they will respect that. But with CPS, it's a little different. CPS tend to utilize the power differently. They're not trying to take you into custody. They're trying to decide whether or not they want to take your kids into custody. Not in jail, talk about removing from your care. And this is where you have to decide whether or not having a lawyer is worthwhile and whether or not you want to talk to the social worker or not. Because you have to be able to gauge all of these scenarios. But regardless, you should not handle this situation by yourself. It is very serious. And you have to make sure what you're dealing with. At Shawty Law Firm, we're here to help. We're here to guide you. We have to make sure that you understand what you're getting yourself into. Trust me, it's not a small issue. It's a big deal. And a big deal can risk and or cost your overall game plan in terms of reunifying or keeping your child or children in your care. Don't make the mistake. Call us.